This tutorial is aimed at guiding you through the installation of an Enterprise Access Management Controller using the Quick Installation Wizard. The EAM controller is an administration server that enables the management of administration profiles. The EAM controller runs also as the EAM audit server. It retrieves audit information of the EAM workstations in an SQL database. The pieces of audit data are available through the EAM console. Make sure you install the EAM controller on a Windows server. The quick installation feature installs automatically all components necessary to install the controller by using default configuration. So make sure you retrieve your license keys. Select a Windows account used by the EAM controller with rights to self-service password request and with the password that never expires. A security administrator account used to initialize the EAM console and whose role will be to delegate administrative tasks to other users. Ports TCP 3644 and 9765 must be open on the server. The server must also be a member of the domain. The Quick Installation Wizard allows you to install an EAM controller, either in the corporate directory or in an ADLDS instance. In this tutorial, I will be installing my EAM controller in an ADLDS on a 2016 Windows server. The Quick Installation feature can be accessed through the Start Wizard, located in your EAM package. As you can see, you can either install a controller or a client. I'll choose installing a controller in an ADLDS. Follow the wizard. Import your license keys. Select a Windows account and type his password. Wait until the directory objects have been configured and initialized. Once directory objects are installed, you can either install the EAM audit database if you have an existing one, or skip to the next step. The audit database can be configured after installing the EAM controller. If you have already installed an SQL server, choose Create Audit Database tablets in an existing server. Then click on Next. On this window, you can point to where the different packages required are located. If you have already installed these components, it will be grayed. Once you have indicated the location to the different packages, click on Next. On this window, indicate to where the EAM audit database will be installed. Make sure the path to where you will install the audit database has been created. Precise the port number as 3306 and then fill in the super user password. Once the correct information has been filled, click on Next. The creation of the audit database is now undergoing. Now select the ODBC driver you wish to use. I only have one available. Click OK. Now that the audit database has been configured, I must choose which account will be security administrator and choose a passphrase. It will be required at first launch of the EAM console. Then choose the authentication methods you will authorize to open the EAM controller. Click on Next and proceed to installation of the EAM controller. Once the controller has been installed, you can then open your EAM console. Enter the administrator password. The passphrase entered for the security administrator is then asked. Fill in the passphrase. You now have access to your EAM console. From there, you can see the lists of users that were added through the installation of the ADLDS. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In another video, you will be able to learn how to install an EAM client on a Windows workstation using the Quick Installation Wizard.